Hey YouTube, I'm Seiku's friend, and he wanted me to make a video for him about my pirate ship. Hold on, just let me stop flying. Alright, here's my first pirate ship. Then I have a second. There's some TNT going off. Then I have 3 helicopters and then 1 bomber. 1 bomber. And then I have another army. Oh, hey, Robbie. Could you, wave? Wave, Robbie. Robbie?
What?
Alright. Like if you think we should do a Hunger Games. Or any ideas, alright? Well, that's it. Just wanted to, say thanks to Seiku for giving me this opportunity. And then, end the video. That's